Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't joined the Adventurist gang, please do so by subscribing to my channel. I'm also available on social media. I am at Missy Angel Baby, both on Twitter and on Instagram, and I'm also within the streets of Facebook. So please guys, go like and follow that page. It's this channel's page. So I'll see you there. Today, as you've seen by the title of this video, I know I've heard many people saying that, but for real guys, I don't even know what the title is right now, but I hope you have a clue what I'm doing. I'm going to be shopping online in Thailand. I'm going to show you what it's like shopping online in Thailand, in case you want to know and are already in Thailand and you're wondering, how can I shop online? How can I shop online in Thailand? Where should I go? What should I trust? I got you. That's why you should subscribe. Come on, subscribe, please. So I got you. So I'm going to show you Lazada, what Lazada is like. So Lazada basically is an online shop in Thailand. So it's also available in Malaysia and the Philippines. I don't know any other Asian countries that it's available in, but I know that it's available in Asia. So I will be showing you and shopping, and then after a couple of days, once I receive my package, I will do an unboxing for you guys to show you. So I'm buying a laptop. I do have a laptop, but it's messed up. I don't even want to talk about it. Like, it's falling apart guys. So I need a new laptop quick, like a cheap one, because I don't want to buy the laptop that I want in Thailand. So I'll have to wait. I'll have to buy this cheap one for now. Let's go to the next part of this video. I'm going to show you the website, me buying it, and then after a couple of days I will come back and then I will do an unboxing. All right, so yeah guys, please do subscribe. Come on, subscribe guys, come on. So I go on Lazada Thailand, and then it leads me to the website lazada.co.ta. So this is what Lazada looks like. You can sign up or you can log in once you have signed up. So these are all the things that they sell, but there's like a lot that they sell. So you can click on that if you want to change your language to English, and then it's going to translate it. And then so I go to electronic devices, and then I select laptops, and then I click on that. So now, as you can see, all the laptops, they've put all the laptops that they are selling. Some of them are really cheap, and then some of them are like up there ish. So what I do to get the right laptop, I look at the reviews and how many people have reviews and the ratings. If it goes like 100 and over, then I trust it to put my money on it. But if it's like 50 or less reviews, I'm like, I'm not too sure about it. So this is me. I have logged into my account. This is my cart. So I've already put this laptop on my cart, so I'm ready to buy it. So it has 128 gigs SSD and 8 gigs of RAM. They call it the Asus laptop, but I'm not too sure about that. So these are the reviews. Its rating is 4.7 out of 5, which is pretty good with 365 rating. So this laptop comes with a bag and then a mouse. So I had to check just to see if it's really the laptop from people's perspective, what they really got. So it looks legit. So as you guys can see, it looks legit from people's pictures. so I'm ready to buy. I'm happy about what I'm seeing, so now it's time to buy. Luckily there's a promotion, so it's 9,999 baht, but now there's a 100 baht off. So obviously I'm gonna click collect, because even if it's 100 baht, like, it's something, so I've just collected it. Now I am gonna press buy here, buy now, and then it's gonna lead me to this page. So there's a free standard delivery, so now I am going to get it for 9,899. It's not that it doesn't make much of a difference, but that 100 baht off is better than nothing. So I'm gonna press place order. So when I press that, like, there's many options. You can use credit card, line pay, cash on delivery, and if you want, you can go for installments. When you pay by installment, this is what you're gonna find. Alright, so but I will pay via credit card, so I'm gonna press on that, and then I am going to pay, and I'll see you guys once I've paid. So thank you for your purchase. So my purchase was successful. I paid 9,899 baht, as you guys can see on the screen. So now I am going to view order, just to see the details of my purchase. So these are the details. They say the parcel will be handed to logistics on the 30th of June. Today's the 26th, so it's like next week, Wednesday. I think I'll probably get it on the 2nd of July. Today's the 30th of June. I decided, let me just track my order, see how it's doing. So I click on track my order, click on my last order. I have logged in, so this is what the page looks like when you go to track my order. As you guys can see, it has been packed, so it's probably gonna arrive on the 2nd of July. So I go to track my package, and then this is what it looks like. So it has been processed, it has been packed, so it still needs to be shipped and then delivered. So like I predicted, I'm gonna get it on Friday, the 2nd of July, probably. So yeah, we shall see. So today is the day. So I have my package, everybody. It comes with a bag and a mouse. So I think this part is a bag here, and then this is the laptop, guys. I don't know if I'm excited about this, because this laptop is supposed to be cheap, so I don't know. Ooh, they make sure that they really seal this bag. Wow. I wonder how it looks like. I don't know. Like, I don't know how it's feeling right now. Okay. There we go. So there's the bag. Ooh. Okay. So they have this. So this is like keyboard, Thai keyboard. There is it, there it is, and then there's the mouse. I'm not sure if I like this mouse. There's the bag. Ooh, it looks cute. So the laptop is this small that it can fit in this bag. Yeah, the bag looks cute. Should I open it? Oh, it even has like a clip. It's a zip thingy. So, ooh, this bag is cute, guys. Wow, this is cute. This is cute. Look at that. Wow. I've been wanting like a new backpack. Wow, guys. And it even comes with the charging thingy where you can charge your phone. It smells like the shop. There's some compartments inside. This bag is beautiful. It's a beauty. Ooh. The parts we have all been waiting for. Ooh, if the bag looks that nice, I'm sure. Ooh, okay. Why is like there this? What's this about? So this is the package of the bag of the laptop. So it's inside here. It's not very heavy. Doesn't feel heavy as the one that I already got. So what does it say? To the future, take the first step. So they call it a notebook. So it doesn't really have a name. Whew. Okay, so we shall open. I feel like I'm opening a MacBook Pro. Here we go. Here we go, guys. So this is what it looks like. There's the manual. I'm not sure if people still read manuals. Like if I can't understand anything about a laptop, I just go on YouTube and just watch videos. So this must be the charger. There is it right here. So this is the charger right here. Oh my god, this is cute. Oh, it's so tiny compared to the laptop that I already have. Oh wow, this is so tiny. It is so tiny. Wow. Oh, why is it I thought like it was a no-name laptop. Can I remove this? I think I can because there's like a plastic. Because I want to put my Apple stick. Yeah, and this is the back of it. This is what it looks like at the back. Guys, I'm not sure how I feel right now. I feel weird actually, but so these are the charging what. So what is this one? So this one is HDMI. This one is for earphones, and then this one is for USB charging. And then here, this thing that they have on laptops, I don't know what it's called. And then this one is USB, and then no, this one is not for headphones. I don't know what it's for. I think this one's for charging. And then here, this one's for the earphones, and then it's for your memory card. Okay, so let's turn it on and see. So power button. Why is it not turning on? It's so cute though. Oh, there it is. Okay guys, it looks cute. I like it, guys. I must say I like it. And it's so tiny, it's smaller than my laptop. So user, what do I say here? Let me put it like this. Oh, welcome. This doesn't feel smooth though. I don't know, maybe it's because of, I don't know what's covering here, but it feels hardish. So I think guys, that's the end of the unboxing. It has, finally I'm going to have a Bluetooth again on my laptop. There's nothing much for me to show you guys. It has Windows 10, guys. I'm not used to Windows 10. The current laptop that I have has Windows 8, so yeah, I have to navigate this one and see. I don't know, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. So guys, I think oh, it has Microsoft. Does it have, or do I have to like do the signing in thing? I don't know. Let's see if it has Microsoft. Then it's what is in your default? Do you want to, I don't know, okay. Wow, God, oh no. It's not free. They didn't put it because they say I have. Oh, guys. First things first. This product comes with Office automatic update. Except, oh, guys. Let me see how it types. The buttons are not that soft, but yeah, it's manageable. It comes with Microsoft. It comes with Windows 10. So guys, if you need a laptop on Lazada, here you go. I'll leave the link of the laptop on the description box. I will leave it on the description box in case you're looking for a laptop. This laptop was about there was this 100 baht off, so it was $9.99, but I got it for 9,899, so it was 100 baht off. So yeah guys, this is my laptop. I still have to navigate. Oh, let's check the camera, the webcam. How does it look? Where is it? Like, first things first, how do I even access the camera? I don't even know what's going on here. So it's a no-name laptop. I don't know what the name, they call it the Asus. I'm not sure about that. I don't even believe that it's called that. There's the camera. Okay, so I will tell you how the camera's bad. Ooh, the camera is bad. That is no, I think I have to put my webcam here. This is not good. I'll need to use a webcam because I'm teaching online. That's why I'm testing the webcam. Or do I need to like wipe it off here? No, the camera's not good, guys. I wish you could see me on the camera. Like, I don't want you guys seeing other things, but I think you can see. But like, it's very blurry. It's So yeah guys, like 14 minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. I like my new laptop, my no-name AST laptop. Thank you guys for watching. What's this? So guys, thank you for watching. If you guys want this laptop, you want to purchase it, I'm going to leave the link on the description box. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Please make sure that you turn your notification bell on because there are more videos that are coming out on this channel. Oh, it's so hot. Bye. 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 Bye.